Hello student, Hemant sir is here. So we will continue with our quadratic equation part. So today we will learn about the nature of root of the quadratic equation. So we will understand today the nature of roots of quadratic equation. So we will derive the nature of quadratic equation with the help of formula. So we have formula. What is formula? It is minus b plus minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and which is equals to x. So we will take one positive and one is negative. Therefore, the root of quadratic equation will be. Therefore, the roots of quadratic equation will be x equals to minus b plus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a, and another root will be x equals to minus b minus b root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. So these are the two roots of quadratic equation. Now we have to understand what is the nature of root of the quadratic equation, whether they are real, equal or not real. So we have to understand this nature on the basis of the value of b square minus 4ac. So the value of b square minus 4ac going to decide whether the root of quadratic equation are real, not real, or real or and equal. So this value decide the nature of quadratic equation. That's why the value of b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant. The value of b square minus 4ac decides the nature of roots of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. It is the basic structure, or we can say the standard form of quadratic equation, and b square minus 4ac decides the nature of this quadratic equation. That's why b square minus 4ac is called as discriminant. The value of b square minus 4ac decides the nature of roots of the quadratic equation. Hence b square minus 4ac is called, or you can say known as, discriminant. And it is denoted by delta. It is denoted by delta. Okay. Therefore we can say delta equals to b square minus 4ac. Now we have to apply the conditions. So conditions for the nature of roots of quadratic equation. Conditions of delta, or we can say b square minus 4ac to decide the nature of roots of quadratic equation. equation. Okay, so first condition, what is first condition? If b square minus 4ac equals to 0, if b square minus 4ac यानी डिस्क्रिमिनेंट की वैल्यू अगर इक्वल टू 0 आ रही है, then we can say the nature of root of quadratic equation is real and equal. Real and equal. When the value of b square minus 4ac is equals to 0, then we will say the roots of the quadratic equation are real and equal. Now second condition. If the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac is greater than 0 means value positive आएगी, then we will say the nature of root of quadratic equation is real but not equal, it is real only. Third condition, real and not equal, if the value of discriminant b square minus 4ac is less than 0 means negative values होगी, then we will say the nature of quadratic equation, the nature of roots of quadratic equation is not real and not equal. Okay, so by deciding the value of b square minus 4ac, whether it is 0 or it is negative or it is positive, we can decide the nature of roots of the quadratic equation. So this is the very important part that we had to use in our next practice set. So this is the formula to solve the quadratic equation. Here a, b and c are the coefficient of quadratic equation. Coefficient of a, that quadratic equation x square, here x square, we have ax square plus bx plus c, where a, b and c are the coefficient. Okay, so on the basis of the coefficient value and this formula, we can decide the nature of quadratic equation. So if you want to write, you can write, then we will solve few examples to decide whether the root of quadratic equation are real or not. Okay, so take a screenshot. Now we will solve the activity which is given in your textbook, page number 44. Okay, it says fill in the blanks and decide whether the given roots of quadratic equation are real, not real, or real and equal. That means we have to decide the nature of roots. So first it is given as 50. Therefore 50 is greater than 0. That means we can say delta. Delta is nothing but discriminant, and which is equals to b square minus 4ac is greater than 0. अब 0 से बड़ा है, इसका मतलब ये कैसा है? पॉजिटिव नंबर है, और जब पॉजिटिव होगा दैट मीन्स ये होगा real and unequal. Then second one, it is given as minus 30. So minus 30, if we will check in number line, it is less than 0. It is less than 0. Therefore delta is less than 0. That means ये कैसा होगा? Not real होगा. इसका नेचर कैसा होगा? Not real और unequal भी होगा. If the value of discriminant is equal to 0, that means delta equals to क्या दिया हुआ है? 0. अब 0 है, that means the root of quadratic equation is real and equal. Real and equal. So we have to write real and equal. So this activity is given in your textbook, page number 44. So पेज नंबर 44 में जाकर पेंसिल से आपको ये fill in the blanks वाला पार्ट कंप्लीट करना है. It is the activity. Okay. So now we will solve few problems so that you can decide whether the roots of quadratic equation are real, not real, or equal and real. Okay. So if you want to write, you can write or take a screenshot. So now we will solve the solved problem which is given in your textbook, page number 45. Okay. Example number 1 says find the value of discriminant only. That means you have to find the value of b square minus 4ac. So by comparing this equation, this is the quadratic equation. If we will compare this equation with the standard form of quadratic equation, we can decide the value of coefficient, that is a, b and c. So solution. By comparing given quadratic equation with standard form of quadratic equation, that is ax square plus bx plus c equals to 0. We can decide a equals to, what is a equals to 1, what is b equals to 10, and what is c equals to, we have minus 7. Now we have the value, we have the formula to describe or to calculate the value of discriminant. We have delta equals to, it is the formula. We have delta equals to b square minus 4ac. So delta equals to, what is b here? 10. So we have to write square of 10 minus 4 into, what is a? We have 1 into c. We have minus 7. So delta equals to, what is the square of 10? 100. So we have to write 100. See, minus into minus will become plus. So we have to write plus. 4 7s are 28. Plus into 1 is same. That is 4 into 1 is 4. 4 7s are 28. So delta equals to 100 plus 28, 128. See, this is the value of discriminant. And it is positive, that means it is greater than 0. So we can decide here also the value of discriminant is 128, which is greater than 0. So delta equals to 128, which is greater than 0. Therefore we can decide the nature. इस क्वेश्चन में आपको सिर्फ वैल्यू पूछा है, नेचर नहीं पूछा है, बट हम नेचर भी लिख सकते हैं, बिकॉज वी नो अब अगर डेल्टा की वैल्यू यानी डिस्क्रिमिनेंट की वैल्यू अगर पॉजिटिव आती है, दैट मीन्स वो कैसा होगा? रियल होगा. द नेचर ऑफ रूट इज real. Why it is real? Because it is positive, that means it is greater than 0. So likewise you have to derive the value of discriminant, and on that basis you can decide whether the nature of root is real, not real, and equal. So if the value of determinant is equals to 0, that means the root of quadratic equation, its nature is real as well as equal. If the value of discriminant is greater than 0, 0 से बड़ा है, that means positive है, that means the nature of root is real. If the discriminant's value is less than 0, that means values कैसे होगी? Negative होगी. Then we can decide or we can say the nature of root is not real. Okay. So on the basis of positive value, negative value and 0 value, you can decide the nature of roots of quadratic equation. So on that basis you have to solve few problems which are given in your textbook. So आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में.